There's like really nothing to see in this same street. It's more like car repair area. There's only local bread they're selling. So I will get to the main street for now. Got a local mango juice for only 25, like 50 US cents. Tastes pretty good. This is the main street after that kosher place, near to that kosher place. And that goes straight to the Khalili. I'll see, maybe I will go walking there. Yesterday I forgot to tell you that after the rain started, I couldn't walk, so after 15-20 minutes of waiting, I just decided to go to my hotel. I found a taxi and went to my hotel for just 100. I don't know how I will cross this road. I will try my best to cross. There is a police regulating the traffic. I will wait for him. So he stops the road. Look at this huge shawarma, a big piece of meat. There are more food options in this street. But I'm already full after my koshary. Assalamu alaikum. So I prefer to walk more than shawarma. Right. There's a little shopping area outside here. They say closes in the street. And the KFC, as in any country. One shawarma place as well. And the famous Jet restaurant. Fancy smashes, Strella coffee. It's something interesting. Assalamu alaikum. Hard? Hello. I'm okay, thank you. I bought already. Shukran. I got perfume already. Look at the name of the restaurant. Heart attack fried chicken. Creative name. Because after fast food, you definitely will get a heart attack one day. So, is it a good time to cross? Yes. Yes. Oh, I think that's one of the main roads in Cairo. Abdel Khalil Street. is really far away from here. Look at this big shawarmas. Bookshops. Okay, maybe I get a taxi and go straight to Khalil. The building looks really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. And there's some banks, I think. Cairo is very, very big. I think 3 days really, really not enough for Cairo. So unfortunately, I don't have enough time anymore. Maybe I will plan to visit Aswan and we'll go to Cairo as well. Come back to Cairo as well and visit again, and we'll visit undiscovered coast. Jewelry market, jewelry store. This is definitely banks road, street with many banks over here. Yes, it's nice. It's just nice to walk here. So here we are, near to Khalil. I went up yesterday in this area. If there wasn't this kind of rain, I would come here yesterday. But the air condition didn't let me to do it. So here's a beautiful Al-Ghuri tomb. The entrance to Abu Khalil Bazaar. How it looks. All walls, beautiful ceilings. Assalamu alaikum. Beautiful old buildings. Old streets in it. Smell already some spices. Some textile, home textile shops, mostly in the south. Something like this. Again, the woman dress shop. More textile, more woman dress shop. Kitties everywhere on the street. And tuk-tuk as well, and the car. More kitties. And I see a minaret of a mosque right there.
No, welcome.
Local guys having fun, riding a bicycle together. It is the mosque. Al Fakhani Mosque. Again, one more kitty there eating its food. Sabil Kutab of Muhammad Ali. I'm not sure what is that. Muhammad Ali Pasha. Sabil Kutab. If anyone knows, just write down in the comment. So this is the Muizzuddin Street as well. This is the continue of the street I came yesterday. So the mosque is on that way. Oh, seems like this one is really also the mosque. This one is mosque as well. Right. I just will walk faster. Finish it as fast as I can. I will see if there is the exit in that way. Yeah, actually, we will get to the exit at the end. Seems like to be the southern gate. Yesterday we entered from the north gate. Doggies are arguing with each other. Assalamu alaikum. seems to be some perfume shops. One more beautiful building. One more doggy. And how it looks like from this side. There's something on the wall. Maybe I'll get some coffee over here. I'll walk that way. I'll check now.